That's why you'll talk to instructors that don't like to do hands-on, because anything can happen. But, you know, just roll with it, right? So the biggest problem we have with these inverters when we get this out is there's a coolant leak that leaks. And they dump coolant into this inverter casing. And let's just say that coolant and electricity are not friends. And it will set isolation codes. And so when we have isolation codes set, that causes problems. So this is the connector, and then you can get this usually up and out of the way, and then there's another board connector here on the internal board. And then we can get this. This has to go up and out this hole.
What is that component right there?
This is one of your encoders. Okay. And the other one would be the other encoder that goes there. And this would be where your power comes in. And then we'll take the rest of this inverter out of here. This is now your inverter with the bolts.
Lots of bolts right here.
Now we have a differential.
Is that typically how it comes apart?
Takes a little persuading.
But I mean, not
Plastic. Plastic.
those
Yep.
bearings aren't snap ringing into the case.
No, nope. These are not. They're press fit in. It takes a little persuading. Yeah, that bearing's loose. That one sits in this hub here. They come out.
Well, that comes out of here.
Yeah. Now the first time you go to take this apart, like this ring gear and this pinion, is it going to take a little bit more force to get out? Yeah. I mean, this has been apart 3 or 4 times. So you do have to pound on it a little bit more to get it to come out, but it all comes out. But there are things you can do to start driving more power, torque, things like that as we delve in the performance side of this stuff. So the people that say EVs are going to kill performance, there's still going to be hackers and tuners and guys trying to increase things in these cars and bikes and things like that. So